Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you in your 20s or 30s and want to secure your financial future? Today, we are breaking down the top 5 financial mistakes you need to avoid to stay ahead and build wealth smartly. Let's dive in. The first mistake is not having a proper budget. Many young adults spend impulsively and don't track where their money goes. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and fall into debt. The tip to take here is to track your income and expenses every month and set aside money for essentials, savings, and investments. Even a simple budget can make a huge difference over time. Mistake number 2 is ignoring an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical emergencies, job loss, or sudden expenses can happen anytime. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a separate account. This will keep you financially secure and prevent you from taking high interest loans in emergencies. The third mistake is delaying investments. Many think they'll start investing later, but time is one of the most powerful tools in wealth creation. Start investing early in mutual funds, SIPs, or retirement accounts. Even small amounts grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Mistake number 4 is misusing credit cards. Using them irresponsibly can lead to high interest debt and damage your credit score. Only spend what you can pay off in full every month and treat your credit card like a convenient payment tool and not extra money. The fifth mistake is not thinking about retirement early. Many young adults feel it's too far away, but starting late means you'll need to save much more later. Contribute regularly to the retirement accounts like EPF, NPS, or mutual fund SIPs. The earlier you start, the more comfortable your retirement will be. So, to recap, the 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s and 30s are not budgeting properly, ignoring an emergency fund, starting late on investments, misusing credit cards, and not planning for retirement. Avoid these, and you will be on the fast track to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below for which tip you are going to implement first. So thank you.